Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add music to your Instagram profile. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my mobile phone, and first of all, I'm going to open up my Instagram application, and then I'm going to go to my profile by clicking on this profile icon right here. And then to add music to your Instagram profile, you can click on edit profile. Alright, and then you're going to scroll down until you find music, and here you will be able to add music to your profile. Here you can add the music Instagram has recommended for you, or you can go to the trending music to add trending music to your profile, or you can also add the music you have saved on Instagram. And if you want to search for a specific music, you can click on search music right here, and then you just need to type in the singer or the title of the song you want to add. For example, I'm going to add the song to my profile. Okay, just tap on the song or the music you want to add to your profile like this, and then you can click on this arrow, and you can select the part of the music you want to add. You can go right or go left to choose the part. Okay. Okay, then once you're done choosing the part of the music or the song you want to add, you can click on the check mark. Okay, and then now the music has been added to my profile, and I'm going to go back to my profile and check it. Okay, as you can see guys that the music has been added to this profile, and we will be able to play it. And if you want to remove the music from your profile, you just need to go back to the edit profile menu, and then you can scroll down again, then simply click on this X button to remove the music from your profile. Okay, now it's done. The music has been removed from my profile, and I'm going to add it again, but I'm just going to pick random music from here like this. Alright. Okay guys, and that's all the way to add music to Instagram profile. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video guys.